Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So here comes the Mi 10 Youth 5G smartphone, which comes with 6.57-inch size of display with 1080p into 420 pixels, and it has a 108 MP camera with 4320p pixels with 6 GB 8 GB RAM available, and it has a Snapdragon 765G processor. And here you can see the Doraemon feature edition with the different stickers on it, so that you can add on your phone and the backside. And this device has a 4160 mAh battery, and it is going to be launched in India soon, as this has launched in China recently. And here you can see how the phone looks and glossy look. It has a Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, and it has Corning Gorilla Glass 5, Android 10 OS, MIUI 11, and also the octa-core CPU with Adreno 620. Here you can see the buttons as well, and whereas headphone jack, sensors, and voice receiver. And here you can see the speakers, and on the bottom side you can see the SIM card tray, which is a surprise for everybody. And this is available on three versions: 6 GB 8 GB, and like 25 256 GB ROM and 128 GB ROM, like this. And it has a quad camera, 48 MP, 8 MP, and 8 MP with 2 MP. And these are the four cameras which it have, and dual LED flash you can see on the smartphone backside. And here you can see all the settings on this phone, and you can see about the phone as well. It can record the videos up to 216p at 30 fps, 180p at 30, 60, and 120 fps, 720p at 960 fps with gyro EIS version, which is going to help you in not checking any videos while you record it. And now let's get camera review. So we'll take the pic and we'll show you how you can zoom easily, or you can do a manual zoom. And it has a selfie camera of 16 MP with HDR mode, and 1080p at 30 fps you can record it. It has 3.5 jack and USB 2.0, where you can charge it with super fast, as like normal device you charge. And fast charging is of 22.5 watt, and this has a battery of 4160 mAh, so you can easily run it for more than a day. And this comes in blue, white, black, green, orange, peach colors. And that's it guys, thanks for watching my video.